Okay, so the one I was eliminated was Triangle with 31,567 votes. Bo in the bottom two was safe with 128. So, your next challenge is to survive these 3 disasters. If one team loses, they'll be going up for elimination. Go. I'm getting stuck in the hurricane. I can't. No. Now it's down to Team Host and Team Effect. As you know, 2 is greater than 1. What if my team loses? He was my best friend. Hey! Team 4 is up for elimination. The next episode, the 6th episode so far, is team versus team versus team versus team. Well, team versus team versus team versus team. Which is coming out on the 20th. So watch out for the episode.